Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily create a restore point on Windows 10. So what is a restore point? Restore point saves the state of your operating system and as well as your data. So let's say there is a problem with your Windows 10 or it crashed. Using the settings, you can easily restore your system to the state which was available when your system was working correctly. So it's very important. You should definitely create a restore point on your Windows 10 system. So now we will see how we can create it. Let's go to start, type restore point. Now you can see create a restore point is visible. Click on it. Now the system properties will be visible. From herein you can create a restore point, and from here you can check the restore points. Let's click on create. You can add the name for restore point. Let's say herein I'll add December 2020 restore point. Click on create. It is creating right now. It will take some time. Guys, you can see here the restore point created successfully. Click on close. Let's click on OK. So guys, we created it. Now let's see how we can delete a restore point. Go to start. Again, write restore point. Click on it. On clicking, you can see, click on configure. Herein, a restore point is visible. It is using how much space. Now you can just click on delete all restore points to delete the restore point. So guys, in this video we saw what is a restore point, why system restore is important, why you should always create a restore point on Windows 10 system. We also saw how we can create a new restore point and how we can delete all the restore points. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.